Ada is flying!
We brought Ada.Ada.Ada here because it was really important to tell the story of one of the first computer programmers, to tell the story of a woman in technology, and to tell a story that connects history and the present.
It was really good to hear about Ada Lovelace. I've never really heard of her before, and all the details about her life.
Oh, it's really interesting seeing the side of Ada other than the computer programming, because I did know her as the first computer programmer, but I had no idea about the other excitements in her life.
I thought that was fantastic. That blew my mind. I'm not somebody with a science background, and so I learnt a lot.
I think the show is a fantastic conversation starter. These are the discussions that we need to be having. We need to be really starting to challenge our own history.
4,400 individual addressable LEDs and 9 batteries back in her bustle, and it's so beautiful. What we just saw was the one-woman show, a piece of history and a piece of art.